Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to disable iPhone notifications on your Huawei Band 9. So the first step is to launch the Huawei Health app on your iPhone and ensure that the band is connected. Once you've done all of that, you then want to scroll until you get to the option Notifications. Tap on it. Then from here, you should see the option Notifications with a toggle next to it. So if you want to disable notifications completely, just tap on that toggle and they'll be turned off. Confirm that you're okay, so tap on OK, and your notifications will be disabled. Alternatively, you can always just choose to disable notifications for specific apps. So for example, if you don't want to receive any calendar notifications, you can just tap on the toggle and the calendar notifications will be turned off. If you have more apps that are installed on your device but you can't see them on the list, then you should see this section labeled Other. So this Other signifies all other notifications you can get on your iPhone. So to disable them, you can just tap on the toggle and they'll be turned off. So that's how you can disable iPhone notifications for the Huawei Band 9. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.